Hey, what's up guys? Today, just a little quick one. We got a 2022, let me step back, Canon Outlander 570 XT. This is going to apply for every Outlander. So with the newer mounts for the cluster, you have this clip, and then you have one here, and a long one up here on the top. They don't like to stay in. Especially for us when we're constantly taking them off, putting them on, off, on, checking fluids, doing maintenance, repairs on them. It can be a real pain. And these tend to just fall out. And so as you're riding, this is sitting like way low. You can't see your speed, temperatures, nothing. Easy fix. So what we're gonna do is I've already drilled them. You take this off, just notice this new hole here and this new hole right there. Take it, drill it out, and then let me grab them. We're gonna take two long zip ties. I'm using, these are like, I don't know, 12 to 14 inch zip ties. I'm not sure what size they are, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna funnel them down through there, up, back out, and cross them, one over the top here and one over the back here, over this plug, and we're just gonna tighten it down. And that way this will stay in always. And if you ever need to remove it, all it costs you is the price of the zip tie. It's like 2 cents. Easy, quick little tip for you guys today. So thanks, and on to the next one.